Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Fiesta interior light. First, let's prepare by gathering our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratches. Also, make sure you have your new interior bulb ready. It's typically a miniature wedge base bulb. Always remember to turn off your car's ignition and interior lights before starting any electrical work for your safety. Now, let's access the bulb. Locate the small notch on the front edge of the interior light housing, usually closest to the windshield. Insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic trim tool into this notch. Gently pry downwards to release the metal retaining clips. Once the front is loose, carefully pull the entire light housing out of the overhead console. Remember to disconnect the electrical wires by pressing their small tabs and sliding them apart. With the housing removed, it's time to swap the bulb. You'll see the bulb socket, often black, holding the old bulb. Rotate this socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands to prevent grease transfer. Almost done, reinsert the bulb socket into the housing, twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Now, reconnect the electrical wires to the light housing, ensuring a snug fit. To reinstall the entire unit, first, slide the rear edge of the light housing back into the overhead console. Then, gently push the front edge upwards until you hear it click securely into place. Finally, turn on your car's ignition and test your new interior light to ensure it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.